we start a new section number 2, and it says the prohibition of eating non-kosher food. Okay. A punishable transgression. So some transgression punishable, some of them not punishable. According to Torah law, one who eats non-kosher food is liable for punishment or sacrificial atonement only in the following conditions are met. Shiur, a requirement amount. Number 1, shiur. Okay, so first condition, required amount. The Torah does not subject one to the physical punishment and requires no sacrificial atonement if one eats less than kizayas. Okay, so in parentheses it says olive or a half egg volume, somewhat more than 1 fluid ounce. We say 1 fluid ounce, 28 grams of the prohibited food, or one drinks less than revi'is. Revi'is somewhat more than 3 fluid ounces of the prohibited liquids. Okay, so let's stop here and explain. So first we said that in order to say the blessing after the food, we have to eat a certain amount. What is a certain amount? The minimum amount that satiates a person. So if he or she eats less than this amount, it's not considered to be satiating according to our Chazal. What is it? It's a kizayis. It's this 1 ounce, 28 grams, whatever is good for you. Right? Even though in olden days it says, like in Talmudic Leib, it says olives. So today we don't have, like, even you buy the jumbo, like super jumbo olives, they say still not 1 ounce. Like, I don't know how big they are, the biggest, right? And they're still not 1 egg, like not half of the egg. Of course not, right? But we go by today's measure, what our sages said. And so, yeah.
One rabbi told me that if it's the size of your hand, not the fingers, the hand, that's how much it should be enough to say a bracha. Is that true?
I mean, it's a general statement that I don't know. So as we just explained, you have to weigh the thing. Like some bread, they're like very heavy, and some breads are very light. So how can you say that? Right, so in 1 cup you have heavy grains, and in another you have like puffy things. So how can you even the volume is the same, but you it's the measurement is different. So we don't measure like this. But in generally maybe like in general, but it's not true. I mean, we don't go by these approximations. Okay, go ahead.
No, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So so the minimum amount of satiation, we said this 1 ounce, 28 grams, kizayis, right? And for the drinks, for a beverage, we said it's revi'is. So what is revi'is? So just so we know, we are all of the opinions. This kizayis, the most like lenient opinion is, I think it's 0.6 ounce, and the most strict it's 1.2 ounces. So we go by, I don't remember whose opinion was it, but we chose a long time ago. So it's 28 grams. That's what we stick to. Okay. And same with revi'is. Revi'is a minimum 3.1 ounces, right? It's like in grams, it's 86 and 90 grams, whatever is it, right? And from this amount, and Chazanish says it's actually like it's almost 5 ounces, like almost double, 5.1 ounce and 5.2 ounces. It's like if you go in grams, it's like 150 grams. So it's from 90 grams to grams or cc, the same thing, or to 150. It's a huge difference, right? So, and they say for drinking, that's what the measure we use. And same shiur is a measure. So we have shiur Torah. It's like also the measure of the Torah. Like same with prohibited foods. So in order to get malchus and in order to get lashed or other punishment, whatever sages prescribe or Torah prescribed, you have to eat this amount of food, right? For a in a period of time 2 to 3 up to 9 minutes. So there is a certain opinion up to 9 minutes. So, but if you ate, and not you, somebody ate a piece of pork, right? And it was less than kizais, just okay, less than this ounce, like half an ounce, right? So he's not going to get this punishment. Is it allowed? Absolutely not. Is it? He's going to get punished by earthly court? Not. Or a person like did in tiny pieces every 9 minutes. Let's say he knew the opinions. Every 9 minutes he would say eat less than kizais. So again, there is no punishment, but HaShem is going to get to that person. Don't worry about it. And same with this drinking all of these forbidden drinks. So he has to like drink enough, like all of these forbidden drinks, like the 3.1 ounce. Okay, at least. Okay, so that's the measurement. Any questions before we continue? So it is a measurement for satiation, and from satiation, so only when person derives pleasure, he's going to get this punishment. So again, is it like a minute amount of pig is allowed? Absolutely not. Pig or just simple not kosher chicken. So there is no problem. There is no difference. There is no difference between non-kosher chicken and pig. No problem. No difference whatsoever. Okay. So.